Speaker of the lower chamber of India's Parliament for the second consecutive term by the voice vote on Wednesday, as we reiterated in our report. DD India's Nupur Praveen gets us more on his political journey so far.
Om Birla
has been re-elected as the Speaker of the 18th Lok Sabha through a voice vote after Prime Minister Narendra Modi moved the motion in the House. Birla defeated the opposition's candidate and 8-term Congress MP Kottikunil Suresh through a voice vote. As he began a historic second consecutive term as the Speaker of the lower chamber of India's Parliament, Birla urged parliamentarians to carry out proceedings while maintaining the decorum of the House.
कि संसद में विरोध और सड़क के विरोध में अंतर होना चाहिए। हमें जनता ने चुनकर भेजा है संसद के लिए, इसलिए मेरी अपेक्षा रहेगी कि हम विरोध के तरीके को संसद की मर्यादा के अनुरूप अपनाएं।
Born on November 23, 1962 in Rajasthan's Kota city, Om Birla's political career started as the district president of the BJP's youth wing in Kota in 1987. He served as a member of the Rajasthan Legislative Assembly, representing the Kota South Assembly constituency from 2003 to 2014. In 2014, Birla became a Member of Parliament from the Kota Bundi constituency and was elected as the Speaker of the Indian Parliament's lower chamber in 2019 for the first time. During his last tenure as the Speaker, productivity of the 17th Lok Sabha stood at a record 97%. The Parliament withstood the COVID-19 pandemic and passed the Women's Reservation Bill 2023 and scrapped Article 370 among other key decisions made. In the very first parliamentary session in 2019, all first-time members got an opportunity to speak, and during the first session's 0 hour, members raised 1,066 subjects, a record for any one session in the history of the Lok Sabha. Birla was the first speaker to provide lawmakers with clippings of their speeches to help them circulate it on social media. As many as 179 bills were passed when Birla was the Speaker of the House, with 58% of those passed within 2 weeks of introduction. The shifting of the Parliament from the colonial-era building to the new building is perhaps the biggest highlight of Birla's first tenure. With Om Birla's re-election as Speaker, his proven track record of fostering productivity and innovation in India's Parliament promises continued progress and effective governance for the 18th Lok Sabha. Bureau Report, DD India.